Let us discuss a problem on volume bounded by the cylinders over the region. It can calculate from the double integral. Okay. The problem is find the volume bounded by the cylinders x square plus y square equal to 4, y plus z equal to 4 and z equal to 0. Here, the volume of the region calculate by the double integral is equal to surface integral, that is double integral z dy dx. Okay. Here, the given curves are or given cylinders. One is x square plus y square is equal to 4 and y plus z equal to 4 and z is equal to 0. First, we can take z is equal to function of x comma y, that is equal to 4 minus y. Let it be equation 1. And another thing is x square is equal to 4 minus y square. From this, x equal to plus or minus under root of 4 minus y square. Put y equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Then 4 equal to y square. Why? Because x expressed in y variable means we can take x equal to 0. We get the y limits. So y equal to plus or minus 2. So here from this, x limits from minus 4 minus y square to plus under root of 4 minus y square. In the same way, y limits from minus 2 to plus 2. Okay. Now we can take the curve which are common cylinders. Means we can take the circle equation with the 2 radius. This is the 2 radius of the circle equation. Okay, here minus 2 comma 0 and it is 2 comma 0. And we can take the y plus z is equal to 4. This is the y plus z is equal to 4. This is the curve. It is the y axis. This is z axis. Okay, we can take it is the x axis. So the curve, the circle little bit oval shape. Why? Because the x and y, x square plus y square is equal to r square, that is radius equal to 2. And we can take the region. Region means this is the xy plane. We can take the region of the given cylinders. In that, we can take the volume of the given region with the limits. Volume of region by the double integral is equal to double integral z dy dx. What is the z? And first, what is the y limits? Y limits minus 2 to 2. X limits minus under root of 4 minus y square to under root of 4 plus 4 minus y square with positive sign. Z is equal to 4 minus y. Here dx dy. Now we can take the integration. Okay. Here it is equal to integral y equal to minus 2 to 2. 4 minus y is a constant. We are integrating with respect to x, means x limits from minus under root 4 minus y square to plus under root 4 minus y square dy. It is equal to integral y equal to minus 2 to 2. 4 minus y into under root of 4 minus y square minus into minus plus under root of 4 minus y square dy. It is equal to y limits from minus 2 to 2. 4 minus y into 2 under root 4 minus y square into dy. Okay. Here we can write it as 4 2s are 8. Integral y equal to minus 2 to 2 under root of 4 minus y square dy minus 2 integral y equal to minus 2 to 2 under root of 4 minus y square into y dy. In this is the form of the sign, that is under root of a square minus x square formula, that is 8 into x into, that is the same case, in the place of x we can write y into under root of 4 minus y square by 2 minus a square, sorry, plus a square. A square means 4 by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, that is nothing but y by 2, limits from minus 2 to 2. Okay, minus 2, here we can take 4 minus y square is equal to, suppose t, minus 2y dy equal to dt, y dy equal to dt by minus 2. So we can write t power 1 by 2 dt by minus 2 equal to t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Okay, we can take it 2, and this minus 2 is right outside, it's minus 2. 4 minus t square, sorry, 4 minus, what is the t? 4 minus y square whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits from minus 2 to 2. Okay, it is equal to 8 into, this is the 2 by 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2 square, it's 0. 4 by 2 ones are 2 twos are 2, sine inverse 2 by 2, sine inverse 1 is equal to 2 into 5 by 2 minus 2 whole square is also, this is equal to 0. Okay, it is equal to 0 plus, here minus 2, sine inverse of minus 1. Is minus 2 whole square means this is vanishes, minus 2 into sine inverse of minus 1. Sine inverse of minus 1 means minus into minus plus 2 into pi by 2. It's over. 2 ones are 2 ones are, minus into minus plus, it's a plus 2 by 3. And upper limit 4 minus 4, it's 0, whole power 3 by 2. Minus 4, minus 2 whole square is minus 4, it's whole power 3 by 2. So this is totally, its second term is 0. The first term is here, 2 2 cancel, 2 2 cancel, it is 8 into 2 pi. That is equal to 8 to the 16 pi is the volume. Okay, the volume of region is 16 pi. Okay. Next question, find the volume enclosed by the cylinders x square plus y square equal to 2ax and z square equal to 2ay. First, we can write the formula, that is the volume as a double integral that is equal to double integral z dy dz. Okay, taking the given curves, the given cylinders, one is x square plus y square is equal to 2ax and another one is z square is equal to 2ax. Z is equal to function of x comma y, that is equal to plus or minus under root of 2ax. Okay. Next, the curve, another one is x square plus y square is equal to 2ax. So from this, y square is equal to 2ax minus x square. From this, y equal to plus or minus under root of 2ax minus x square. For x limits, put y equal to 0 in above Then x square equal to 2ax. From this, x square minus 2ax equal to 0, taking x common, x minus 2a equal to 0. In this, one limit is the one x value is 0, another x value equal to 2a. So here the x limits are 0 to 2a, y limits are minus under root 2ax minus x square to plus under root 2ax minus x square. And what is the z function? Plus or minus under root of 2ax. When the function in plus or minus, then immediately the volume of a region is the double. Why? Because the same symmetrical above the x-axis, below the x-axis, then that is equal to 2 double integral z dy dx, that is equal to 2 x limits from 0 to 2a, y limits from minus under root of 2ax minus x square to under root 2ax minus x square. Z is under root 2ax dy dx. Okay. Now we integrate with respect to y, that is equal to 2 integral x limits 0 to 2a under root 2ax. Y integration means integral 1 dy is y, limits from minus under root 2ax minus x square to under root 2ax minus x square dx. It is equal to 2 under root x equal to 0 to 2a to integral x limits from 0 to 2a under root 2ax upper limit under root 2ax minus x square minus into minus plus under root 2ax minus x square into dx. It is equal to 2 integral x equal to 0 to 2a under root 2ax. The same terms, 1 plus 1 means it's 2 into under root 2ax minus x square dx. It is equal to 2 right outside, 2 2s are 4. Okay. We can take in common 2ax integral x equal to 0 to 2a. Okay. Root 2a root x. In this common, root 2ax under root of 1 minus x square by 2ax dx. Here root 2ax into root 2ax, that is equal to 4 integral x equal to 0 to 2a. Root x into root x is x. Root 2a into root 2a is 2a under root of 1 minus x square by means 1x cancel, that is equal to x by 2a into dx. Okay, here we take it as 2a. 8a integral x equal to 0 to 2a x under root 1 minus x by 2a into dx. Now we can take 1 minus x by 2a is equal to suppose t, then derivative on both sides. It's 0 minus 1 by 2a, x derivative is dx equal to dt. So dx equal to 2a into dt. Okay. In this place, we can write dx equal to 2a into dt. From this, 1 minus t equal to x by 2a. So 2a into 1 minus t. Now we can take the integral. Integral of x under root of 1 minus x by 2a into dx equal to, what is the x? X is equal to 2a 1 minus t is the x value integral. Under root means root t dx equal to 2a dt. Root t 2a dt. 2 to the 4 a into a square integral root t minus t power 3 by 2 whole dt. That is equal to 4a square. Root t means t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus t power 3 by 2 means t power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. Okay. This is the integration part. In the place of t, we can take 1 minus x by 2a. Okay. It is equal to 8a into integral means 4a square into t is nothing but 1 minus x by 2a whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus 1 minus x by 2a whole power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 limits from 0 to 2a. Okay. Here it is equal to 8a into 4 to the 8a square by 3. Limits 2a means 1 minus 2a by 2a whole power 3 by 2. Okay. Minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 2a by 2a whole power 5 by 2. It is 8, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8a square by 5, 1 minus 2a by 2a whole power 5 by 2 minus 1 minus 0 whole power 5 by 2. Here one bracket is cancelled. Okay. It is equal to 8a into 8a square by 3. This is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1. Minus this is 0. Minus into minus plus 8a square by 5. Taking the LCM, 5 3s are 15. 8a is the outside. Minus 5a square plus 8a square is also taking common. Minus into minus plus is equal to here. Getting any minus here, just a minute. Yes, this in this here dx equal to minus 280. So it is minus. This is minus. It here minus into minus plus. Here we are getting 4a square. Yes. Here minus. Minus into minus plus. Here plus is there. Now 8a into 8a square is common. That is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 8 8s are 64a cube. 5 minus 3 by 15. It is equal to 2 into 64a cube by 15. That is equal to 128a cube by 15 is the answer. So here volume of a region by the common cylinders is equal to 128 a cube by 15 is the answer.